Hi, welcome to my channel, Zazaline. My name is Janita, and that's what we are gonna be making today. And again, it has the zipper pocket, fully lined. You can add whatever you want just to make it a little more exciting. So it's not plain, but if you like it plain, that looks fine too. And inside, I went a little fancier. So this is how it looks without the cards. It has the 1, 2, 3 slots. So this would be ideal for cash, coins, and this is for the cards. So I have one card and it fits perfectly. Then the second slot in here, and then this would be for cash. And it has the snap buttons. So ooh, you can whip this in 15 minutes. If you do this, this is gonna be super easy. You have this done in 5 minutes. So perfect for craft fairs. If you are selling your items, this would be the ideal. So we have craft fairs coming up, and I did cut out a few. So I will be making a few wallets for our craft fairs, and I will make them with the lining. Okay, so for this project we don't need much. You need a little piece of vinyl. I'm using vinyl for both. So this is a little thicker, this one is a little bit more flimsy, very thin vinyl, but you can use cork, vinyl, leather, whatever doesn't fray. And for the pocket, zipper pocket, I'm using cotton. So cotton is fine for the zipper pocket because it's gonna be hidden. And then of course we need a closure. So now we are gonna place the zipper. The good side is up, so facing up, and we are gonna place the zipper on top. And we will secure it. And then we are gonna do the same thing with the other piece. Again, the good side up, and we will place the zipper on top. So this is how it should look like. Now we are gonna take double-sided tape, and we are just gonna go around the rectangle, so on the top and on the bottom. Now we are gonna take the zipper that we prepared, and we want the zipper pull facing left side, and then we are gonna place it in the middle. And now we will take it to the sewing machine, but make sure that these two pieces are separate because we don't want to sew over them. So we are gonna do this. And now we will take it to the machine, and we are gonna just sew around the rectangle. Okay, so now when we finish the rectangle around the zipper, we are gonna pull this down, and we are gonna pull it down away from this curved flap on the top. And you will notice that one side is shorter than the other, and that's okay. And we are gonna take scissors and we will just cut it off. Okay, so now once the pocket is closed, we are just gonna make it a little bit nicer. So we will cut on both sides. The zipper is a little bit longer, so we don't want the zipper to go over the sides. The zipper should be the same or a little bit smaller. And on the bottom, the same. It shouldn't be too long. It should be within this limit. So it shouldn't be extending here, and it shouldn't be extending on the bottom. Now we are gonna grab the lining, and again, mine is a very thin vinyl. And we are gonna place it on top. And now this part has to match. And now let's wrap this up like a little baby. And you will notice that the one side, the lining is extending, and that's exactly what we want. So we will place it over. And we will take it to the machine, and we just want to sew across in here. Okay, not anywhere else, right here. So now when this part is done, we can go back and wrap it up. So we want to wrap up the bigger piece first, and you want to go all the way on the other side. And let's wrap the baby again. So on the bottom, it should match up. So just go on top of each other, and on the bottom, it's gonna end up at the same level, and then we will wrap it up. All we have to do is just go from this end all around and end up on this side, and don't forget to backstitch. And the last thing is to put the closure. So I'm using the snap buttons, and so we are just gonna find the placement and put it on. Now, this part is optional, so if you would like to have a keychain put on top, I have these little guys. And I don't like it that it's plain like this. I will add a little paw. So these ones are reflective, and I will have these on my website, and all we have to do is just press it with hot iron. Okay, so once you are happy with the placement, we are gonna put extra fabric on top, because this is vinyl and we don't want to damage the vinyl. We will have to put the setting a little bit lower, and then we are just gonna, let's do one at a time. So it has to heat up enough so it actually will peel off. And let's see. And I have a nice reflective design, and it just makes the wallet a little more interesting. And if you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you next time.